Okay, we have a HAAS Vertical Machining Center model VF2D, serial number 1075050. Machine was new in 2009, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has the HAAS control, 10,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle, 20 ATC, automatic tool changer. We're running at 2,000. Machine has a 14 by 36 T-slotted table. We're going up in RPM. 4,000?
Yeah.
Yep. Going up. 8,000 RPM, nice and quiet. 14 by 36 table, you have 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. Right now we're moving the X. Telescopic weight covers. Your Y. And your Z. And we're going to do a tool change. All right, that's one. And that's two. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.